All right, guys, we got a 2000 GMC Savana with a 5.7 liter V8 conversion van. Hit up my boy at Chase Matthew on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere and anywhere. Listen to his music. He has some really good music. So we went all crazy on him. Put a 6-inch tip. Massive beast. See it? 6-inch. 6-inch tip. And a muffler delete. It's too low, so I can't go under it. Still got the original cats on it. But there it is. 6-inch muffler delete. That's 3 inches. And if we can find the tip, we'll let you have a link on the description for the tip. GMC Savana. Oh. Again? You know. 109 on the sound.
Hey, Rocky, come on! I ain't scared.
We'll let you do it when he backs it out.
I ain't the limiter.
I cannot believe
We let the customers blow up their motors, not us.
I cannot believe I can
Do it, but you know what? That looks actually really good on it.
It don't look bad.
It don't look bad at all.
I'm a Duramax swap it someday.
Hell yeah. All right, do your thing. It's so loud, dude. Oh my God. Beast mode it. He beast moded this van. So like I said again, hit him up, Chase Matthew. See, even GMC Savannas need some love and sound. It's so sick. I like it. Beast mode.